Alright, so growing a TikTok page can be so frustrating. Everyone is talking about how easy it is to earn money, but you can't even get 10k followers. Now, obviously getting 10k followers is very important so you can actually join the TikTok creativity program. So today I'm going to tell you the strategies that I take on my own TikTok pages to help me get to that 10k mark. First off with this video, I'm assuming you already have a TikTok page. I'm assuming you've already picked a niche and you're just struggling to get to those 10k followers. If you need any help with actually creating your page or anything, check out some of my other videos because that's not what this video is about. So the biggest problem a lot of you guys have is actually creating volume. So you know, the more TikTok videos you actually post, the more chances you get of going viral, and obviously the more views you get, the actual more followers you're gonna get. Kind of like each video is like a lottery ticket, and the more lottery tickets you have, the more chances you have of going viral. I'm not promoting gambling, by the way. I just want to point that out. Now, while this all sounds good in theory, obviously creating a 1 minute long video every single day and, you know, posting this multiple times a day so you can get as many lottery tickets as possible is a lot of hard work, especially if you've got a full-time job or you're still in school. Making these TikTok videos, even though they look easy, sometimes can be really time consuming. Now, there is a really easy way to get around this. This is going to blow your minds. Just don't post 1 minute long videos.
Are you sure about that?
Now, I know, you don't get paid on videos that are under a minute long, but the TikTok creativity program needs to make videos over a minute long to actually get paid. So why am I going on about this? Basically, the idea behind this strategy is you want to post as much content as possible when you're first starting out on your page. Obviously, the more you post, the more chances you are of getting viral. And since it takes so long to make videos over a minute long, when you're first starting out, you should be only making videos that are around like 20-30 seconds long, just so you can keep on pumping them out like a machine. So hopefully, you know, get one of those videos going viral. It'll also help you learn like hooks and formulas and stuff, because you're still making videos, and you're still making videos that you would be making anyway. You're just making them a bit shorter, and obviously the videos are still going to be in the same niche that your videos that are over a minute are going to be in. They're just easier to make because they're shorter. Now, I'm not saying don't make 1 minute videos at all. You know, you can still make those, but I'm just saying if you're at a time crunch, maybe you've got something going on at work or you've got some homework at school, you can pump out some 20-second, 30-second videos, and it's not going to be the end of the world. In fact, this could actually help you go viral. Now, just imagine you post a 20-second video and it gets millions of views. Now, all of a sudden you've converted those into like over 10,000 followers and you're in the creativity program. But if you never posted that 20-second video because you was too busy with something, you'd have never got that million views and you wouldn't have got the 10k followers. The whole point of this is to just try and gain as many followers as possible, because you know that first slug to get to 10k followers is such a sluggish process because you're not earning any money, so it's just annoying to get to 10k. But when you've got 10k, you know, you don't mind putting in that bit of effort for making a minute long video because you know you're gonna actually get paid from that video. So this is what I do on all my new pages. By the way, guys, I've actually launched my own free Discord server. It's basically a place where we can all help each other out with growing theme pages, TikTok pages, Instagram pages, anything like that. We're going to be sharing some tips and tricks. I'm also going to be very active in there. We're doing like some free webinars where you guys can ask me questions and I'll be reviewing your pages and stuff. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, the link will be down in the description. All right, next up is TikTok shop links. Now, TikTok is in the business of making money. They're a business at the end of the day and they want to earn a profit. Now, how does TikTok make money? They make money through ads, but they also earn money through the TikTok shop. You see, when a person actually buys a product from the TikTok shop, TikTok will get a cut of that money. So think about it from TikTok's perspective now. If they're earning more money when people are buying products through the TikTok shop, they're going to want to push videos that have a TikTok shop link more on the For You page than videos that don't. It's just purely from a business standpoint, it'd make more sense for them. Now, obviously they're not going to push your video if it's just rubbish, but I've tested this on a few accounts now, and if you make a good quality video and it's got a TikTok shop link in, it has a higher chance of going viral, which obviously makes perfect sense because TikTok are earning money off this, so they want to publish this out to more and more people. But on the flip side, that is also helping us, you know, kind of hack the system a little bit. We're also getting more views for just posting a video that we would have posted anyway. It's not just me that's saying this. The whole kind of conspiracy theory on TikTok right now, where people are saying they're getting way more views for posting TikTok shop links. So don't just listen to me. There are so many other people that have found this as well on their pages. So I would definitely try and implement this and put it into your strategy to see if it's going to work for your page. Another benefit of this is also the fact that you earn a commission off the TikTok shop when someone buys the product through your link. So that means you could actually earn some money before you even get to 10k followers. You know, while you're actually just trying to graft to get these followers, you could also earn a nice little side income as well. Now, I wouldn't spam this on all of your TikTok videos. I would just try this on like maybe 1 out of 3, and maybe do this on like every other one and just kind of see how it works, see if you get more views or not. And if it is working for you, you know, then maybe post more of these TikTok shop links. You never know, one of these could blow up, then you could get loads of followers. You could also earn commission off the TikTok shop, and then you'll be in the TikTok creativity program as well. It's kind of a win-win-win. You should really be doing this on some of your videos. All right, next up, let's talk about the annoying 1 minute mark requirements again, because again, it is extremely annoying. I think at the start it is so frustrating, you know, not getting paid for making one minute videos, and it really demotivates people, and it demotivates me when I'm just not getting money for putting a lot of effort into these videos. So what can we do? All right, so take a look at some of of these videos on the TikTok For You page, what do they all have in common? If you guessed they're all carousel posts, bravo. These posts at the minute are going viral and generating millions of views for serious lack of effort. They're absolutely ridiculously easy to make and they're just going viral. They're popping off on so many different pages. It's a common trend at the minute that I'm seeing. So, you know, obviously to get those easy views, to convert some followers, this is something that we should be doing. Like, look at this video here. I guarantee it took them 5-10 minutes max to make this video. You can literally just do it on the TikTok app on your phone. You don't need to go out of TikTok to do this. Now, obviously you don't get paid off these type of videos, but this is purely just a strategy to grow your account, to get thousands of followers so we can get into the creativity program. And because these carousel posts are in the same niche as what we normally do, these followers are probably gonna like, you know, our other content as well that is actually video form. Take for example these travel videos. This guy's making these carousel posts here that's about some of the best locations, but then you could also literally just post travel videos on the best locations in video form over a minute long, and then you see you've got this perfect mix of both. The viewer's gonna love either sort of content, so it's really gonna help you grow your account. You know, with a motivation page you could do something similar with, like, you know, motivational videos, but then for carousel posts you could just do motivational quotes and stuff. It is really universal. You can use this on any TikTok account, and I think this is kind of like a secret formula at the minute. Not a lot of people are using it right now, and I think that's not going to stay like that for very long, so everyone needs to hop on this while you can to try and get to that 10k follower mark fast. You know, this will help you build your foundation to get to 10k followers, but I think when you actually have 10k followers, I think it's actually also good to carry on making these videos every now and again, even though they're not making money, because it just helps you build your account, and obviously the more followers you have in your niche, the more views you're going to get, and it's really good for your actual account. Alright, so the next big one, which is commonly forgotten about, I feel like everyone forgets about this when they're making a TikTok page. You need to warm up your account. Now, if you don't know what I'm on about, I don't mean put your iPhone near a campfire. Ooh, that's not what I mean. This basically just means watching your For You page on the account that you've made. So it literally just means scrolling for like 5, 10, 15 minutes on your For You page, acting like you normally would when you're scrolling on your normal For You page. The problem with new accounts is that TikTok thinks you're a bot. They just automatically assume you're a bot, because if you imagine TikTok is such a big platform, you've got to imagine because there's millions of users, there's also millions of bots trying to scam people, just trying to make accounts, and TikTok got a real problem with this at the minute. So they just assume every new account is a bot until like they've kind of passed some human tests. Now, you don't ever actually have to, you know, do a human test, kind of determine if you're a human or a bot based on your behavior. So a way to convince TikTok that you're not a robot is just by scrolling on your For You page, liking, saving some stuff, just acting like a human, which I'm assuming if you're watching this, you're human and you're not some robot. And, you know, if you are a robot, fair play, thanks for tuning in. Anyways, before you post any video on a new page, and we're talking like, you know, this page has been made in the past 15 days or whatever, I think you should scroll on your For You page for at least 5 minutes before posting. It just makes you look like a human, and if TikTok thinks you're a human, they're gonna promote your video and like put it on the For You page and stuff. But if they think you're a bot, even the slightest little chance, you're gonna be stuck in like a 200 view jail, a 500 view jail, or maybe even 0 views, because they don't promote videos that look like botty or botty account. You know, I know a lot of people that have like their main account and then have like their, you know, account that they're trying to earn some money on, and they literally only go on the account to post a video. Now, this looks obviously very botty from TikTok's perspective, so what I would advise you to do is actually try and use your, you know, creativity program account, or the one that you're trying to grow like as your normal account, and just scroll on it. And this will just make TikTok believe you're actually a real person. It's really going to help out you, you know, your page, and hopefully going viral with it. So hopefully after all that, you should be well on your way to 10k followers and hitting that TikTok creativity program. If you're still struggling with views and, you know, you're stuck in the 200 view jail, I have a separate video going about all the tips and tricks that you need to do to get out of that, because that is entirely different than growing your account. But that's all from me. I wish you all the best with your TikTok page. But if you want to ask me any questions directly, you can go down to my free Discord in the comments. I reply to everyone, and I'm trying to be as active as possible because I've just kind of launched it. So yeah, definitely go check that out, and I'll see you in the next one.